Now we come to the resultant Vipaka Chitta. First of all, we discuss the Ahetuk Vipaka Chitta. Due to the resultant of the immoral actions done by us, we have Akusala Vipaka Chitta, and due to the resultant of the moral actions done by us, we have Akusala Ahetuk Kusala Vipaka Chitta. There are the 7 types of resultant consciousness of previous, which leads Kamma, that is the Upekha Sahagatam Chakhu Biyanam Tat Sot Biyanam Ghan Biyanam Jihva Biyanam Dukh Sahagat Kai Biyanam Upekha Sahagatam Sampatichan Chittam Upekha Sahagatam Santiran Chittam Chati Imani Satpi Akusal Vipak Chittani Nama. There are 8 types of resultant consciousness of the Kusal Vipak, that is the Upekha Sahagatam Chakhu Biyanam, Tat Sot Biyanam, Ghan Biyanam, Jihva Biyanam, So Sukh Sahagat Kai Bigyanam, Upekha Sahagatam Sampatichan Chittam, Somanas Sahagatam, Santiranam Chittam, Upekha Sahagatam. Santiran Chittam Chati Imani Atpi Kusal Vipak Hetuk Chittani Nama. Good acts done during the course of this life determine the nature of the mental disposition of a man in his next birth. A type of Sahetuk Kusal Chitta is reflected just as it is in its Vipak, that is the resultant. Therefore, there will be as many types of its Vipak resultant as there are Kusal Chittas. Thus, there are 8 types of Kama which are Kusal Vipak Chitta, namely Somanas Sahagatam Yan Sampayuttam Asankharikam Ekam Sasankharikam Ekam Somanas Sahagatam Yan Sampayuttam Asankharikam Ekam Sasankharikam Ekam Upekha Sahagatam Yan Sampayuttam Asankharikam Ekam Asankharikam Ekam Upekha Sahagatam Yan Vipayuttam Asankharikam Ekam and Sasankharikam Ekam Ti Imani Atpi Sahetuk Kama Vachar Vipaka Chittani Nama. The 3 Kusal Hetus, namely Alobha, Adosa and Amoha, are very strong in the above types of Rupa which are Kusal consciousness, which are free from all immoral tendencies. They are therefore reflected just as they are in the mental disposition of the next life. Hence, there are also 5 types of Rupa which are Vipak consciousness, corresponding to the 5 Kusal ones: Vitak, Vichar, Piti, Sukh, Ekagata, Sahitam, Patham Jhanam, Vipak Chittam, Vichar, Piti, Sukh, Ekagata, Sahitam, Dutiye Jhanam, Vipak Chittam, Piti, Sukh, Ekagata, Sahitam, Tatiye Jhan, Vipak Chittam, Sukh Ekagata Sahitam Chatutth Jhanam Vipak Chittam, Upekha Sahagatam Pancham Jhan Vipak Chittam, Chati Imani Pancha Pi Rupa Vachar Kusal Chittani Nama. There are 4 types of resultant Jhan consciousness of the formless: Akasanchayatan Vipak Chittam, Vyananchayatan Vipak Chittam, Akinchayatan Vipak Chittam, Nev Sanya Nasanyayatan Vipak Chittam, Chati Imani Chatuttam Pi Arupa Vachar Vipak Chittam. There are 4 types of supramundane resultant consciousness, namely Sotapatti Phala Chitta, Sagdagami Phala Chittam, anagami phal chittam and arhat phal chittam chati imani chittam pi lokuttar vipak chittani nama. Now we come to the last, that is called as kriya or inoperative consciousness, kriya chit, which is that type of consciousness which do not yield vipak or resultant. Panchadwara vajjana or consciousness turning to impressions at the 5 doors of senses, and manodwara vajjana or the consciousness turning to the impressions at the mind door are the automatic tendencies of the mind. When a stimulus is received from without or an idea is caught from within, they are a hetukaj and kriya as well, for they cannot yield vipak or karmic result. Hasitutpad or a smile of the arhat is also a hetuk kriya chit. It is not accompanied by the hetus and does not produce vipak. Hence, there are 3 types of consciousness: unaccompanied by the hetus and not capable of yielding karmic results. Upekha sahagatam panchadwara vajjan chittam तथ मनोद्वार वज्जन चित्तम सोमनस सहगतम हसितुत्पाद चित्तम चाति इमानी तीपी अहेतुक क्रिया चित्तानि नाम. There are 8 types of kamavachar kriya chitta of an arhat who does good acts, but they produce no resultant or vipak, as he is totally free from desire. That is, somanas sahagatam yan sampayuttam asankharikam sasankharikam. Somanas sahagatam yan vippayuttam asankharikam sasankharikam. Upekha sahagatam yan sampayuttam asankharikam sasankharikam. Kam upekha सहगतम यान विप्पयुत्तम असंखारिकम स्वसंखारिकम ती इमानी 8 सहेतुक कामावचर क्रिया चित्तानि नाम. An arhat also obtains the stages of jhana, but they do not yield vipak or resultant. They are kriya or inoperative. Hence, there are 5 types of rupavachar kriya consciousness corresponding to the 5 kusal ones: vitak, vichar, piti, sukh, ekagta sahitam patham jhan kriya chit. Vitak, vichar, piti, sukh, ekagta sahitam dutiya jhanam kriya chittam. Vitak, vichar, sukh, ekagta sahitam tatiya jhan kriya chittam. वितक विचार पीति सुख एकता सहितम चतुर्थ ध्यान क्रिया चित्तम. वितक विचार पीति सुख एकता सहितम पंचम ध्यानम क्रिया चित्तम. चाति इमानी पंचपी रूपावचर क्रिया चित्तम नाम. The arhat obtains the jhanic consciousness of the formless, but they yield no vipak. They are kriya or inoperative. They are the 4 types of inoperative consciousness or inoperative jhan consciousness of the formless. Akasanchayatana kriya chittam, vyanaichayatanam kriya chittam, akinchayatana kriya chittam, nev sanya na sanya ayatana kriya chittam. चाति इमानी चत्तारोपी अरूपा वचर क्रिया चित्तानि नाम. Thus, 12 types of ahetuk, 21 types of kusala, 36 types of resultant vipak, and 20 types of inoperative consciousness kriya chit make altogether 89 types of consciousness सोमनस सहगतम दिट्ठिगत संपयुत्तम असंखारिकम सोमनस सहगतम दिट्ठिगत विपयुत्तम स्वसंखारिकम एकम सोमनस सहगतम दिट्ठिगत विपयुत्तम असंखारिकम एकम सोमनस सहगतम दिट्ठिगत विपयुत्तम स्वसंखारिकम एकम उपेक्षा सहगतम दिट्ठिगत संपयुत्तम असंखारिकम उपेक्षा सहगतम दिट्ठिगत संपयुत्तम ससंखारिकम उपेक्षा सहगतम दिट्ठिगत विपयुत्तम असंखारिकम उपेक्षा सहगतम दिट्ठिगत विपयुत्तम असंखारिकम ती इमानी अठपी लोभ सहगता चित्तानि नाम. The Yogavachar obtains jhana by meditating on one of the 26 objects, kamathanas, such as earth, water, fire, etc., which are roop or form. It is therefore called Rupa Vachar Chitta or Jhan consciousness of the form. At the first stage of jhana, 5 psychic factors are very prominent in him, namely vitakka, applying the mind on the object of the meditation. Second, vichara, sustaining the mind on the object. Third, piti, a thrill of pleasant sensation. And fourth, that is the sukha, ease. And lastly, ekaggata, that is the one-pointedness, concentration. At the second stage, vichar, piti, sukh and ekaggata. At the third stage, piti, sukh and ekaggata. And at the fourth stage, sukh and ekaggata. At the fifth stage, upekha and ekaggata, highest stage of Rupavachar jhana. Hence, there are altogether 5 types of Rupavachar Kusala Chitta, namely Vitakka, Vichar, Piti, Sukhekta Sahitam, Patham Jhanam Kusala Chittam, Vichar, Piti, Sukhekagta Sahitam, Dutiye Jhanam Kusala Chittam, Piti, Sukhekagta Sahitam, Tatiye Jhan Kusala Chittam, Sukhekagta Sahitam, Chatutta Jhan Kusala Chittam, उपेक्षा सहगतम सहितम पंचम झान कुशल चित्तम चाति इमानी पंच पी रूपा वचर कुशल चित्तानि नाम. In the above stages of jhana, the factors have been excluded one by one. There is an anga samati kamana or gradual suppressing of the factors.